show you sample strategy that made us some amount of money today. We took a sell on GBP USD and it was so successful. Share the strategy that I use. That is what I use each and every day. Before I show you the strategy, I want to show you the proof that we took the trade. So if you go to my Telegram platform so that I share the whole signal. Today is 15th September, as you can see on there. And then we also had GBP which was also shared, and we had GBP USD. Alright, so they all went really well. This is the GBP USD. So the GBP USD was the trade that actually hit our TP. The rest are still moving. So by next week we may take our TP. Yeah. So the final TP was taken over here. Alright, on GBP USD. Let me break down the trade for you guys so that you also learn from it and then apply the same thing on your chart each and every day. This strategy is it's working. I will say it is working. I will not say it is 100% because we don't have any holy grail anywhere. So if you come to the chart, we can all testify that the market has been bearish for some number of weeks now. Yeah. So that the lows are being broken whilst the highs are being maintained. So our first low was broken here. And then before the CPI, we came to sweep this low. Finally, we also had another break of structure here. This break actually happened the break happened after there is a body closing below this week. Okay, so what we saw here was just a sweep of liquidity, but the market later on went down to break it. So let's see what that happened. Okay, so over here we had a break where the body closed below. So what we've been waiting for is after the break of structure, we want to sell. We don't want to buy. But I actually took a buy took the buy personally, just a counter trade. So I was waiting patiently to see internal high taken before I can sell. And that internal high is a liquidity. What we want to see is this market is coming down like this, okay. Then to go up from this, go up like this before we sell like that. So this is how the market actually moves. And I want to see this high here being taken. After this high is taken, then I'm confident that price is going to go my way because liquidity has been grabbed. And that is how I define my liquidity. Okay, that's how I define my liquidity. So simple. After the break of the structure, you want to see an internal high, break it, price goes up to take the internal high, then we find our fair value gap, and if possible our order block, then we sell from there. So that was exactly what happened, and then that was what I used to catch that sell. Myself and then my community members, we use. If you are new to this channel, kindly show some love by subscribing to the channel and also turn on the notification bell. Anytime I drop a new video, you shall be the first person to be notified. And if you have not joined the community, you can just check the link in the bio or in the description box. Click on it and then join, where we post not daily actually, but sometimes thrice in a week we post quality signals over there where you can also make money from. Alright, so we want to see a high, and then how do I define my high? Internal high. You see price has gone, it must come and take this low here, then it should go like this. Now sell. Okay, so that's an internal high. Let's see what happened. Good. Now we can see that we've had an internal high. Okay, this is an internal high. This is an internal high, and this our previous lower high. What we have here is our previous lower high. Okay, I'm not even sure this place. It could be this place. That is this place. That's our lower high. That if this is taken, then it means we are now going bullish. All right. So let's see. So after price has taken this high, we want to sell. Okay, we want to sell. But where do we sell from? Let's see where we can sell from. Now we have an equal high here. We also have this has been mitigated. This whole order flow has been mitigated. Okay, it has been mitigated. The only thing that is left that has not been mitigated is this week. I think, yeah, this week has not been mitigated. So let's see. That is where I was waiting for price to come, then I'll sell. The price didn't go at once, it still moved downward. So that was where I entered the buy yesterday night. I took a buy here up to that point because I knew price was going to come there. Good. And then the TP is just, I think it was 1:7 or 1:6 here. To see 7 that will check. So let's see how price played out. Still the high has not been taken. Okay, good. So the high has been taken now. I was still waiting patiently for price to tap into this zone, but then Asian session high wasn't also taken, so I wanted the high should be taken before I get into the trade. So price got the boom, and this was where I had my confirmation. So let's look at the confirmation candlestick very well. We saw that inside the order block or that week, inside this week, there is a rejection, and what followed the rejection is a simple and engulfing pattern. Okay, so an engulfing pattern, price will surely go back to mitigate this spinning top over there. So I have a spinning top and an engulfing pattern, so two confirmation at the same time, which validate my entry. Okay, so these are the things I look for in my zone or my POI before I take a trade. After the high has been taken, I get my my zone or my POI. In the POI, I want to see a candlestick formation or pattern. Then I'll validate my entry there and then go short or long. So it was this place I sent the signal to the page, to the community, okay, to my community. So if you have not joined the community, try and then do that. Join. So over here, we look to sell from this point. And where will be our target? Our target will be right over here. Right over here. Something like this was okay for us. Let's see how the market. So price tapped inside. Yeah. I think we're aiming for price to come to. Okay. Yes, the middle there. Good. And that was how the trade was. Quickly run down to take our TP. So that was how we smashed this. There. So here too we had another break of structure. Then the same thing, I took another entry there too. To the one I don't think I shared it to the. I did not share it to the platform. So we had an internal high here, which needs to be taken before I'll look for an entry. And then the entry is going to be right over here. But it's just a continuation. Okay. This is a continuation. So that was before New York session opened, where I hit TP already over here. So I was waiting for a pullback, then I enter again. So let's see. Good. And then immediately we're tapped in. So that was how it happened. And let's see, it hit our TP here too. But here was a sweep, I think. Yeah, so that was it. And then market is still going down. So over here we don't have a break yet until there's a close below. There's a close below. Good. I think this is where price is right now. This is where the price is. So we had a close below over here. Good. So that was how we smashed TP on the GBP USD today. Alright, thank you so much for watching. If you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe, turn on the notification, like the video, share to your friends too. Let everyone have a feel of this content. And I hope you all enjoy this beautiful content. Follow this simple analysis and then you are going to see how the Forex will pay you. I have a video of how I actually analyze this. I use my strategy. You can check it later in the channel. I think